Today we're getting out our clock spring set to go with our airbags. But if your airbags deploy, your clock spring is no good. The clock spring snaps and kind of burns itself out because it sends electrical impulse up through the wire here to the airbag to tell the airbag to deploy. So not only is your airbag bad, but your clock spring is also bad. But I'm here to get the clock spring that works out. So if you need to know how to get like your steering wheel out, all this stuff that was up here before, because you have to use the steering wheel, you have to pull the steering wheel, it just doesn't bolt out. You have to get the airbag off, it just doesn't fall off because you snap your fingers. Then look in our Ranger chassis and body playlist, and you can go through any of those videos to see what step that you're on. If you've already got to this step because you know what you're doing, but you don't know how to get the clock spring out, then this is the video for you. First thing we need to do is clear up and be able to look around the clock spring. So we're going to take this column off, and underneath here is 2 bolts underneath here. So there's 1, 2, and then there's one over here, and those are Phillips heads. I'm going to hurry up and take those out. All right, so we got the 3 bolts out and we're getting closer to our clock spring. So this piece will just fall straight down, and these are the 3 bolts that were in there, 3 screws, whatever, just regular Phillips heads. And then we're gonna take our top panel off. But since I have stick, I have this little thing to release the key. So you gotta watch you don't break that. There's a hole, so you gotta kind of open it up and then slide that off the side, you know? So let me get this out. And I gotta do it with 2 hands because you have to spread it. Let me get this off and then we'll look at the clock. Okay, now that we have it, we are going to release it from the lock. And then we released it from this little holder, this little black holder. You just pop this side open, pull it down, and pull the wire out. But then we have to get this brown and this little brown plug off as well. And one probably comes from the computer, one goes to the other airbag, but those are the connections. So I'm gonna pull those down, disconnect them, and then we have the complete in shape clock spring, good clock spring. Okay, after you remove the 2 plugs, there's still a wire that comes out of the plug that connects here to the ground. Can't rip that out because that's part of this whole unit, has these 2 and this. So you gotta get that out as well, the 8mm. And let me show you what the whole thing looks like. All right, so we're all finished. So this wire has to be left on here. If you pop this off, you broke it. This wire to the ignition has to be on here. If you pop this off the ignition and you broke it, then, you know, you gotta try to find another one of these and splice it in, but then that's dangerous because you're splicing into an airbag. I don't advise it. You have to have both of these in working order as well, and you have to have the ground, you know, to make sure that everything works correctly. And then this is your clock spring. If you guys like videos like this, short, sweet, to the point, leave me a comment down below. Say, hey, Damien, good job. I like these shorter ones better. If you have any problems with your Ranger, comment down below. I'll try to help you out on whatever job it is. If you don't see a video, then just grab any Ranger video and leave me a comment of something like, I don't see any videos, but did you ever fix this? Maybe you could give me some advice or help me. That's what I'm here for, man. I'm not making any money. I make like $100 a month doing all this YouTube. But these videos are great to help other people. And when I sell parts, I can say, okay, I took this out. Here's the video. Here's the part. Watch the video. You'll save money. Put it in yourself. You know what I mean? So hopefully I'm helping the world. If you like this kind of stuff, leave us a like, subscribe, share this with a friend that has a Ranger. And I'm out. Peace.